waking up in Philadelphia and realizing there's a historical Macy's across the street with a beautiful destination on the inside. A Tommy Hilfiger. What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video. Today, I have a special Tommy video for you. I visited a national landmark that has a Tommy Hilfiger inside of it. Tommy is inside a historical landmark. That is huge. That is huge, and only in Philadelphia. I visited the Macy's in Center City, Philly, and I've been to this location many times. It was actually built in the early 1800s. It's a beautiful, beyond beautiful building. Like, if you are ever in the area, most definitely make it a necessity to visit that, especially if you love Tommy Hilfiger, because this Tommy inside the Macy's is the best Tommy Hilfiger that I've ever seen in a department store. It's not only just Tommy pieces, there's also Tommy jeans, they have rare pieces, they also have stuff that I've never seen online or anywhere in person. So I was very shook about that. I had a pleasant experience, to say the least. I have some stuff in this bag that I'm sharing with you. Also, I already wore a few of the pieces, so I'm just gonna share those, and we're gonna have a Tommy experience. I also, by the way, have a very unique Tommy jeans pants, Tommy jeans in this bag. They are unique. I actually did a poll on my Instagram page, House of Hilfiger. By the way, if you're not following that, that's my Tommy Hilfiger appreciation page, link down below. I did a poll and a lot of you guys didn't seem to like these pants, but guess what? I like them, and you all know I'm very fluid and fun and fresh with my fashion. So you know I got them anyway. If you're interested in hanging out with me today and catching up on some Tommy business, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a Monster, and keep on watching. I had to give you guys a heads up there because I filmed this on my iPhone 12 Max Pro with the 0.5 video option, so I'm thinking that's why the lights are flashing, because of landscape view. But check out this beautiful Macy's. This building's over 100 years old. It is absolutely breathtaking, to be honest. And the Tommy Hilfiger section, I mean, come on. We have Tommy jeans right here, and they had beautiful pieces. Like, the stuff they were serving at this location, it's not your typical Tommy outlet or Tommy department store selection. It's pretty great stuff. Minus being well kept, because I have to say things were just a tad messy here, but that aside, the selection was pretty great. There was a few pieces that I could not do without, including this jacket right here. This color is amazing. Unfortunately, it was not in my size, but this is a limited edition Hilfiger piece, so we gotta pay some respect. Check out these swim trunks. I fell in love with these. Unfortunately, they were not my size, so I had to pass on those. But this button down, the colors, the pastel moment of it all. Obviously, this is a vibe that I'm going for, considering what I'm wearing right now. We also do have this beautiful tee. It's a Tommy jeans piece, beige, crepe, sand, whatever you want to call this color. I'm loving it. First and foremost, I'm going to show you what I got in this bag right here that I did not wear yet. So I got something that is very much this vibe. This right here, this Tommy button down multi-pastel color block. Oh my goodness. I have not seen this since I was in the store, and I'm shook. This is a beautiful piece. This is not like the other Tommy Hilfiger pieces. Like, I'm loving the colors that are in here. It's kind of similar to the one I'm wearing right now, but different. And all right, so we're gonna take a tour. Here's the front. Yellow sleeve on this side, green sleeve on this one. The back. Oh my goodness. Are you guys seeing? Are we seeing this together? What is that? This is just extraordinary. This is right up my alley. As you guys already know, I've been obsessed with the Tommy Hilfiger pastel capsule, pastel crush. Crushed my heart. I love it, every single piece. I actually got this for $53.70, but wait, we're not done. This is a rare Tommy Hilfiger piece. This is a part of the limited edition collection. If you're not familiar with that, basically it says here, the limited edition garment pays homage to our most iconic Tommy Hilfiger originals, taken from the archive and reimagined for today. So this is a rarity. Also, it's a Make It Possible piece as well with their sustainable line, so we love that. Honestly guys, I think this might be one of my favorite Tommy Hilfiger pieces, and I cannot wait to create a look featuring this. Now, aside from this piece, I also got two pieces right here. This one, which I already did a little photo session, probably already seen on my Instagram, Tommy jeans tee, and this is a size large. I'm a little shook with actually how good it fits. It is very breathable, love the color of the denim, and I was obsessed when I seen this. This was also below 50 bucks, so I had to get it. And it's minimal. There's not anything crazy on this. We have the Tommy logo on the pocket right there, and I needed it, so I got it. Also, we have another Tommy jeans button down. I'm just not too sure if this is actually denim or a cotton. There's no like type of, you know, what do you call those when there's no material description on this. That's what I was looking for, a material type of description. You know, some garments have them, but this is also a part of the limited edition pieces, which you can tell because we have the crest right there. Just like on the other piece, it has the crest in the front as well. So this is just very simple, and I got a size small in this. Yes, a small. You're probably like, how do you go from largest to small? I had the opportunity to try this on. Their dressing rooms were actually open. I was a little shook about that, but I tried this on, and I tried a large and a small. This one was just like very flattering. So it was loose, but not too loose, and fit, but not too fit. It was like a good combo. So I had to get this, guys. This was also 50 bucks. My opinion, not a bad price, especially for a limited edition piece. So I needed to get that. Now, the fun part. Well, the other fun part, because this is all fun. I am going to unbox these jeans. And you guys, I'm a little nervous because they're outside my comfort zone. For me to say outside my comfort zone, that's a rarity. So I'm hoping that these are not as crazy as I might be. But let's get it open. I actually got these because there was a sale going on, and I've been eyeing up these jeans for, gosh, like 3 months now. And finally, they were like marked down to, I believe, like 40 bucks. So they weren't too pricey. So if they don't work out, I won't be too mad. Oh my goodness. I'm already seeing the Tommy tags right there. And I got a size 30 waist. So that's my size, but sometimes different style of jeans fit different. So I'm praying that these fit well, but they already feel amazing. We know Tommy jeans are just iconic, guys. There's nothing like a fresh pair of Tommy jeans. I can smell it. It smells rejuvenating. I feel euphoric. So here they are. Check this. Oh my God. There's a chain on these. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am shook. I am shooketh. They are called skater jeans, skater pants. No, I'm not a skater. Every time I attempted to skate, wiped out extremely bad. Almost hurt myself really, really bad one time. So I'm done with that. But I have skater pants. Now, these are very Gen Z. I'm a millennial. Gotta stay in touch with the youth, guys. You wanna stay young, you gotta look young, you gotta feel young. And it all starts with fashion and on the inside, so treat yourself. Now, they are not skinny jeans at all. I'm probably not gonna fill these out, but that's how they're supposed to be. They're not supposed to be straight, they're not supposed to be dad jeans, they're supposed to be skater jeans. I'm just shook at this chain that's attached to it. Like, what is that? Also, I'm loving the branding on the back. Tommy jeans, and it's actually in green, which is insane. That is so cool. And there's a Tommy logo right here on the front. Love that. Oh, I didn't notice this. So there's actually a tag right here, and it has a little description. It says, well, it's part of the Make It Possible 100% recycled. product. Love that. Skater jean. Yes, skater jean. I'm very relieved that these are actually part of the sustainable line. That makes me super happy because I try to purchase as much as possible from Tommy Hilfiger's sustainable collection, and it warms my heart, makes me feel good. This is the other tag, by the way, on the very front. There's a lot of taggage going on this. 3230. I'm hoping these are going to fit. I will have to ask you to stay tuned for some feedback on my Instagram page, which means you gotta follow it. So down below, click on the link. Take it right there. There's one more thing, guys. We're not done because I actually received this box in the mail and it says Tommy on it. I don't recall ordering anything else unless it was a night when I had a little too much wine and went online shopping. That happens way often than it should. But I must have ordered something that I completely forgot about. So we're gonna open this up right now and have a little surprise together because I'm gonna be just as surprised as you with whatever's in here. I know I ordered stuff from the Space Jam collection and I have not received anything just yet. So I'm thinking it's probably what I ordered from that capsule. I didn't order this? Oh my God, I didn't order this. So this was a gift. Oh my God, you guys. I'm absolutely shook to the core right now. I'm speechless. I only ordered the t-shirt because it was so expensive. I only ordered one thing and I have a lot in here. Oh my God, you guys. Tommy, thank you so much for sending these my way. I need a moment. You know what, this does not happen to me often, so I'm gonna wait and open this in a part 2 of this video. So if you're interested in seeing what is in this box, I'm gonna have to ask you to please come back to my channel and we're going to go through this box together and have a special moment because this is, I have no words. I'm like beyond shook right now, but thank you so much to all of you guys and Tommy Hilfiger, the brand, the marketing, the social media team, everyone that sent this to me. I don't even know what to think, guys, but hopefully you enjoyed this video so far. I don't usually leave people on a cliffhanger like this, so I'm like, what am I doing? But we're gonna dedicate a separate video to this collection and this funness that's in this box and have a separate moment. So if you're interested, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. That's gonna notify you when I post this next video and all my upcoming videos. Also, again, please do not forget to follow the House of Hilfiger, my Instagram page, which is all my dedicated Tommy Hilfiger content. I share my collection, I share some rare pieces, I share runway looks, I share upcoming capsules, I share everything Tommy Hilfiger related. So also that means you gotta tag the House of Hilfiger and also hashtag House of Hilfiger so I could feature you on there as well. I keep on starting because I'm so excited, so I'm just gonna end this video. Until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.